Hey, beautiful people, you're welcome back again to my channel. How are you doing? Trust you're having a great day. Okay, guys, I'm bringing to you the lovebirds, Fredrick Leonard and Peggy. Ever since they got married, they've been showcasing their love and professing their love for each other. This couple are on fire, guys. They're just giving it to us back to back as a day hot. Now they're showcasing their matching sneakers, guys. I can't resist this couple. I cannot. I don't know about it, but they're just giving me joy. I just love the love they're sharing, how they love each other, how they are showing it in a mature way. I just love this couple, guys. What do you think? Put your thoughts down to comment section.